Hi, this is Dr. Technician, helping you go further faster in motion graphics. In this video, I'm going to show you how can make this type of cool logo animation. Before entering to the video, consider subscribing and press bell to get notification. Let's get into the video. Coming up. Alright, we are in the After Effects. I've already imported a logo to the project panel. Make sure to be it in the PNG format. Anyway, create a new composition. Change name to main comp. Keep width and height ratio like this. Frame rate 30. And put duration 10 seconds. Alright, this is our main window. Drag the logo into the timeline. It's too big. Let's adjust it. Simply press S on the logo to open the scale. Then change size to a proper size. This is okay for me. Using this Align panel. Align it to the center of the window. Now pre-compose this logo. Name it Logo. Then make sure to tick this Move All Attributes and press OK. Next step, right-click on the timeline, New Solid Layer, change its name to Map, and choose a solid white color. And search for an effect. Fractal Noise. Drag it to the map. Perfect. From Effect Controls, locate the effect, and let's make some changes. Increase the value of contrast to 400, and reduce brightness to -75, and set complexity to 1. Then expand Transform. Then untick this uniform scaling. Then increase the scale width and height to 600. Perfect. Then place the time indicator at the beginning and mark a keyframe for offset turbulence. Then set the value of X turbulence to 300. Then move time indicator to 2 seconds and 15 frames. And set the X turbulence to around 1400. Perfect. Place the map layer below the logo and make its Track Matte logo. Great! Then search for another effect, CC Glass. Add it to the map. Expand the surface, change the bump map to Logo, and property to Alpha. Then change values of softness to 50, height to 50, and the displacement to -100. Expand the light of this effect. First, change color of light to a color that matches the logo. And set value of the light height to 75. And again, search for another effect, CC Blobulize. Add to Map. Expand blobbiness, change blob layer to Logo. Property to Alpha. Set value of softness to 10. And cut away to 50. Expand the light. Again, change light color to a color matches the original logo. And at last set value of the light height, 100. Perfect. Next, press T on the map to open the opacity. Place time indicator on 2 seconds. Mark a keyframe for the opacity. Move the indicator to 3 seconds and reduce opacity to 0. Select both keyframes and convert to Easy Ease. Perfect. Open the project panel again and insert the logo composition to the timeline. Then change mode of the map layer to Hard Light. Watch the result. Perfect. Select all the layers and pre-compose it. This time, change name to Glossy and hide this glossy composition. Again, insert the logo composition to the timeline and change its name to Vegas. Select the Vegas layer and search for the effect, called Vegas. Add the effect to the layer. From the Effect Controls, change Blend Mode to Transparent. Then expand Image Contours, change Channel to Alpha. Then close this section. Set the segment's value to 3 the width to 4, and end opacity to 1. Place time indicator in the beginning of timeline. Mark a keyframe for both length and rotation, and set value to 0. Move time indicator and place it 2 seconds. Change length value to 1 and rotation to 70 degrees. Here, change color to a color that matches the logo. Perfect. Select Vegas again and press U to open created keyframes. Select all the keyframes and change them to Easy Ease. Use F9 as the shortcut key. Alright, close the keyframes. Next, create a solid layer. Name it Background. Here, choose a pure white color and place it in the bottom of all layers. Duplicate the Vegas layer using Ctrl and D and place duplicate layer below the original. Rename it Shadow. Search another effect, CC Radial Fast Blur. Add it to the shadow. Set the amount to 60, zoom to brightest. Using this little icon, mark the center of the shadow around here. Change Vegas color of this shadow to a little darker color to make it look like a shadow. Great. Watch the preview. Perfect. Next, unhide the glossy layer. Place the time indicator at 2 seconds. Drag the glossy layer to 2 seconds. Press T open the opacity. Mark a keyframe. Reduce the opacity to 0. Move the time indicator 15 frames forward. Increase the opacity to 100%. Then press T on the Vegas layer. Place the time indicator on the first keyframe of the glossy and mark a keyframe for the opacity of the Vegas. And move the time indicator 15 frames forward. Reduce the opacity to 0%. Select all the keyframes and change them to Easy Ease. Check the result. Perfect. Now, let's add some motion animation to this logo. Deselect all layers. Then create a null object layer. Select all other layers except background. Drag this symbol to null layer. Then select the null layer. Press S to open scale. Place the time indicator at the beginning and mark a keyframe for the scale. Then reduce the scale to 50%. Move indicator to 2 seconds. Increase the scale to 120%. Then again, move the time indicator to 3 seconds and 15 frames. And again, reduce the scale value to 100%. Watch preview. Here, select all the keyframes and change them to Easy Ease. Then open Graph using this graph icon, click this point, then drag like this. Do the same this for all the keyframes. Close Graph. Check the result. Excellent. Let's add some text to this animation. Place the time indicator at 3 seconds. Then using Text tool, write anything like this. Adjust font and style, and align to center. Just press P on the text layer to open position, then press Shift and T to open opacity together with the position. Mark a keyframes for both of them in 3 seconds. Move the time indicator backward to 2 seconds. Increase value of Y coordinates of position. And place text here. And reduce opacity to 0%. Select all the keyframes and change them to Easy Ease and open Graph. Change graph like this. All right, watch the final result. Perfect. These are the steps to make this kind of logo reveal animation. If you get any progress using this video, give it a thumbs up. And definitely subscribe for more videos like this. And again, this is Dr. Technician, helping you go further, faster, in motion graphics. And until next time, keep crushing it. We will talk soon.